The Transactions tool provides a consolidated list of your recent transactions from all of your connected accounts. Here, you will see the transaction date, payee, category, account connected to the transaction, and amount. Green transactions are income or credits to your account, and black are withdrawals or debits from your account. By default, transactions from all accounts over the previous 30 days are listed chronologically, with the most recent transactions at the top. You can sort by clicking on any of the column headings. You can also filter by account. Simply navigate to Filter Accounts in the menu at the top, checking the accounts you would like to show or hide, and click Apply. You have multiple options for adjusting the date range. Use the back and forward arrows to navigate through time. Use the drop-down arrows to select from a list of preset date range options, or use the calendar view to select a custom date range. When you have the range you'd like to view selected, click Apply. Select any transaction to open its details window. Here, you will see what the transaction looked like before it was cleansed. You will also see the date and category and be able to add other relevant details such as tags and memos. Adding a tag will make it easy to search for a transaction in the future. Perhaps you want to tag transactions that were from a trip, need to be reimbursed, or you want to see how many cups of coffee you buy. Click the plus button and add a new tag. Type the name of the tag and click Save. You can also add a memo if there's more information you want to remember about this transaction. When your transactions are pulled into the transaction tool, they will be automatically categorized. We recommend that you go through your transaction history and check that all of the transactions are categorized correctly. If the transaction tool is not reasonably certain of which category a transaction belongs to, it may be left uncategorized. You can find a list of your uncategorized transactions grouped in a box on the left side of the slider bar. Select a transaction, navigate to category, and select a category from the menu. You will be prompted to either apply this category to this transaction only, or to go back and update all past and future transactions of the same type to the selected category. Above the list of transactions, you will see a slider bar with various subscriptions. Transactions, such as your Netflix account or gym membership, will automatically be classified as subscriptions and appear here. If a subscription charge is predicted to occur within the next 2 weeks, it will appear individually in the slider bar. If it is due more than 2 weeks out, it will be grouped with all of the subscriptions in a box on the right side of the slider bar. To view your upcoming subscriptions, click the left or right arrow on either side of the slider. To view the details of a subscription, simply click the subscription. You will see information about how often you're charged, which of your accounts the subscription is connected to, and the yearly cost. Click more details at the bottom to see the last payment date and category of the subscription. To view all of your subscriptions, click the View All box on the right end of the slider bar. Click an individual subscription to bring up more details. This at-a-glance view makes it so simple to understand where money is going, so you can decide whether to make changes if necessary. The transaction tool has a very robust search functionality. Click on the magnifying glass icon on the right side of the menu and search by any details, such as amount, category, payee, and more. You can even export transactions as a CSV file to submit in a report for reimbursements or to include in accounting software. To export transactions to a CSV file, filter your transactions to the set you wish to export. Simply click the export icon on the top right. With all of your transactions in one view, it will be much easier to stay on top of your accounts, ensuring that no unauthorized transactions slip through the cracks.